Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can count the words of your Google document in just a few steps. So this is very useful and it's very easy since Google Documents already has an option to automatically count all the words in your document. So the first thing we're gonna do is opening the document you want. In my case, I'm gonna open this document. I'm gonna create simple text with 5 words, and I'm gonna count this document. So to do it, we're gonna go to Tools, click here, then go to Word Count, or you can also press Ctrl Shift C. Now you can click here, and you will see it has 1 page, 4 words, 18 characters, and 15 excluding spaces. And you can also enable or disable this option that will display the word count while you're typing your document. So as you can see, it will be right here, and you can track basically the words while you are modifying your document. So as you can see, it keeps increasing, and you can check it here more easily. So that's it. I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.